Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, good morning. Welcome to class 5th Maths Chapter 1 Large Numbers Session 2. In previous lecture, we learned about greatest and smallest number in each number of digits, its number names and place value chart. So, today we will continue our chapter from reading and writing a number. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period is read along except the ones. जब हम कोई भी नंबर को पढ़ते हैं तो वह नंबर जिस पीरियड में होता है वो पीरियड के नंबर्स को हम एक साथ पढ़ते हैं और फिर वह पीरियड को हम बोलते हैं। सिर्फ वंस पीरियड ऐसा होता है जिसमें हम एक साथ नंबर बोलते हैं, पर हम लोग पीछे वंस नहीं बोलते हैं। While writing a number in Indian place value system, each period is separated from the next period by a comma. With this, we are able to read and write large numbers correctly. We are able to compare the numbers and can tell the place value of numbers correctly. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में हर एक पीरियड को हम लोग अलग अलग करते हैं कॉमा से। तो हम लोग कोई भी नंबर्स पढ़ने में हम लोग को बहुत आसानी होती है और जितने बड़े नंबर होते हैं तो भी हम लोग को आसानी होती है। नाउ सी एग्जाम्पल 1. Let us take few 7-digit numbers, that is 1 followed by 6 zeros, 3026525, 98324451. Now show these numbers in a place value chart. First, put the rightmost number of the digit in the rightmost column of the chart. Then move from right to left and go on adding the digits of the given number in the columns one by one. So in solution we can see there are 4 periods, that are crores, lakhs, thousand and ones, but always read it from right to left. So it is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Now followed by period there are places. Places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So our first number is 1 followed by 6 zeros. That is called 10 lakh. So in 1 followed by 6 zeros, we can see the number at the rightmost is 0. So we write 0 in the ones column. Then again there is 0. So we write 0 in tens column. Again there is 0. So we write 0 in hundreds column. Again we have write 0 in thousands column. Again 0 in 10,000s column. Then 0 in lakhs column. Then there is 1. So we will write 1 in 10 lakhs. Now the second example, 3026525. So right utmost number is 5. So we will start from 5 at ones place, 2 at tens place, 5 and hundred place, 6 at thousands place, 2 at 10,000s place, 0 at lakhs place, 3 at 10 lakhs place. So same as this, we have third number 9832451. So we will start from 1, 1 at ones place, 5 at tens place, 4 at hundreds place, 2 at thousands place, 3 at 10,000s place, 8 at lakhs place, 9 at 10 lakhs place. So from this we can understand whenever we will write a number, we should start from rightmost number and rightmost column of the chart. Each of these can be read and written as follows. First, 1 followed by 6 zeros are read and written as 10 lakh, which is the smallest 7-digit number. Second number, 3026525 written as and read as 30 lakh 26,525. Third number is 9832451 and it is read and written as 98 lakh 32,451. So from this we understand in each number we separate that number from commas according to periods. So in first number 1 followed by 6 zeros, we have commas which have separated the periods. First we have 10, so it indicates it is in lakhs period. Then we have 2 zeros which indicates it is in thousands period. Then we have 3 zeros which indicates it is in ones period. Always remember we have to understand and learn that the periods are also start from rightmost column. So we will see the second example. From the right we have 525, that is 525. It is in ones period. Then we have 26, so we have in thousands period. In last we have 30, so it is in lakhs period. Always starting from rightmost. Last example, we have 9832451. So in rightmost we have 451. So we will written in ones period. Then 32 is in the thousands period. Then 98 which is in lakhs period. So by this we can know about number name and separation of number by periods. Now our next topic is face value of a digit. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself regardless of its position in the number. फेस वैल्यू जो होती है हमारे नंबर में डिजिट की, वो अपनी खुद की वैल्यू यानी अपने आप की वैल्यू ही होती है। उसमें उसकी पोजीशन मतलब प्लेस की कोई भी मैटर नहीं होता। लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल 63249. In this number 63249, the face value of all the digits is as follows. Face value of 6 in the number 63249 is 6. Face value of 3 in the number 63249 is 3. Face value of 2 in the number 63249 is 2. Face value of 4 in the number 63249 is 4. Face value of 9 in the number 63249 is 9. So we will come to know about face value is all the digits in the number having its same face value regardless of its position. Now, what is the place value? Place value of a digit is face value of a digit multiplied by value of the place. It means जो प्लेस वैल्यू होती है डिजिट की, वह हमें उसकी फेस वैल्यू को जब हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसकी प्लेस की वैल्यू से, तो हमें प्लेस वैल्यू हर एक डिजिट की मिलती है। नाउ वी कैन ईजिली नो अबाउट फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू फ्रॉम दिस चार्ट. सो वी हैव नंबर 4234763. So face value, as we know, there is no change in the face value from the digits. So as it digits, the same is the face value. So we have 4. So our face value is also 4. As same, 2 having 2 face value, 3 having 3 face value, 4 having 4 face value, 7 having 7 face value, 6 having 6 face value, and 3 having 3 face value. But in place value, the position value also matters. That is, place values also matter. So when we have 4 in 10 lakhs place, the place value of 4 is 40 lakh. As same, 2 is in lakhs place, so the place value is 2 lakhs. 3 is in 10,000 place, we have value 30,000. 4 is in thousands place, so we have 4,000. 7 is in hundreds place, so we have 700. 6 in tens place, so we have 60. 3 in ones place, so we have 3. So from this we can differentiate face value and place value. So from this we can understand a place value describes the position or place of a digit in a given number, while face value of a digit describes the value of digit itself. Now 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. We have seen the smallest and the largest 8 and 9-digit numbers before and how we obtained them. For the 8-digit and 9-digit numbers, we add one more period of crores, which has 2 places, crores and 10 crores, in the Indian system of place value chart. So today we discussed about reading and writing a number, face value of a digit, face value and place value representation, and 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. I hope you understand it well. So, in our next lecture, we do some exercise.